24 market daily buys for New York session for gold. I am both biased, right? I'm not both biased. I won't know till 10 a.m. If I don't see what happens in 10 a.m. probably not gonna take a trade at all, right? But I'm aiming to be bullish and bearish. It all depends, right? So it all depends by 10 o'clock after this 4-hour candle closure. It all depends on the 4-hour candle closure, right? If the 4-hour candle closure does this, just goes down here, two things could happen. Either one, right, break structure down to the downside. If you break structure to the downside, drawn liquidity is high likely going to be bearish. So if it does break structure to the downside, we could go for this liquidity, this 4-hour for value gap as our main take profit. Why did this main take profit? Here's a whole trend line from hourly. If this 4-hour connected with this connected with this. These are like a bunch of small ones, but this will connect with this as well. So these are all are gonna be a liquidity. So a main take profit gonna be on this. But for buys, if market what could the market do is respect this trend line, respect it, right? Respect this trend line, and prior to that, sweep out this low. Because sweep out that low, I'm like, okay, now we can go bullish. Because why? 4-hour break, 4-hour break of structure to the upside, not to the downside. Or I don't think that happen. If the market breaks structure down, as I said, we're gonna go down here. But was there any other catch? But if the market goes up here, touches this, I can't do nothing about it because my bias is saying I'm meant to be bullish, not bearish, right? Because if this seeps to this line, I can't go bearish because no breakthrough to the downside. I'm trying to line with both of them. So this is why today is kind of be tricky because of FOMC today. So today is definitely gonna be tricky because of that. So what I want to do, what I want to go for, bro, break up structure to the downside and go for all these lows. Or see this liquidity, you respect the trend line and go right back up. If this gets shut out, I have to wait till the 4-hour candle closure. But the next 2 hours, if somehow the market rips down, sweeps out this low, sweeps out this, I mean not sweeps out this low, sweeps out this low and respect the trend line and gets right back up, that would be fantastic. We could take a long entry out of that, go from here, TP1 and TP2. My TP for long, my TP would be TP1 and TP2. Why over here TP1 and TP2? There's a 4-hour high. So okay, there's all these saying, yo, that's a trend line, right? You say in your video that you can't go for trend lines, right? You gotta go to the start of trend line. Yes, but that's a 4-hour high, right? So TP1 is gonna be here, TP2 is gonna be here at the start of the trend. This right here is created a trend line to the downside, right? So you go to the hourly time frame, you could see trend line to the downside because market is expecting the trend line, shift it one more time, eventually going back down lower, right? Prior to that, if you go to the for the bullish side of the trend line, right, you can see right over here, one tap right here, one tap. People took long out of here, made a lot of profits out of here. That's people don't usually take out of the first tap. They usually take out of the second tap. Usually people say this right here could be the trend line. Boom, take a tap. They take a long from out of here. Their tap is they take it from here, boom, to the upside. Eventually this right here, a lot of people gonna lose money from that one. So what I know is there's two things happening: a trend line to the downside and to the upside. But I'm more aiming to the if the drawn liquidity is still gonna be bearish, but it doesn't break structure down, I'm not gonna go take a trade. If the drawn liquidity, if the market breaks structure down, I'm looking for sales because drawn liquidity can be sales, right? If the market takes out liquidity from the downside and changes the drawn liquidity back to the upside, I'm looking for buys because drawn liquidity at the moment is bearish, buys is bullish. So if the market take out the drawn liquidity, make it back to bullish, I'm looking to aim for bullish sides. And yeah, that's what I want to aim for. I personally see nothing. I personally see this getting touched this and kind of pushing right back down. Literally no other building block beside that. I mean, we do have this hourly auto block right over here, which already got touched, but we get a deeper fill, touch the support. I mean, touch the trend line one more time, make a light boy take short from here, go over here, see what there's liquidity, eventually from here go back upside. Hopefully, it all depends. So I can't be decide my buys until 10 a.m. But for now, I'm just gonna be like this and wait till how the market goes. But it looks very nice. The market is looking very. Watching.